Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating software causes. First, make sure iOS is fully updated because firmware mismatches can break Face ID. Once done, back up the phone to iCloud or to a computer. This preserves data if a service repair requires erase or replacement. Make sure the battery is above 50% and you know your Apple ID and password so activation lock won't block repairs. These steps prepare you for the only reliable repair path and avoid data loss during service. You'll try targeted troubleshooting before service. Start by resetting Face ID in settings and performing a full restart. Test by enrolling a face. If that fails, erase all settings, not content, and retry because some corrupted settings can block the true depth system. Once those steps don't restore function, stop DIY hardware attempts. Face ID components are paired to secure hardware. Schedule a Genius Bar or Apple Authorized Service Provider appointment. Describe the exact symptoms and tests you ran so they can escalate appropriately. You bring the prepared device to Apple or an authorized provider. They will diagnose, and because Face ID is tied to the secure enclave, successful repair typically requires Apple-level component pairing or module replacement. Once repaired, restore your backup and set up Face ID while still in store or immediately after receiving the device. Verify Unlock, Apple Pay, and app authentication. If Face ID remains unreliable, ask the technician to escalate to Apple engineering or request a device replacement under.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.